ABC Educational Channel.
Today, let's have a speaking practice using English. Daily conversation at school. Are you ready? Let's begin. May I go out, please? May I go out, please? Could you give me a pen? Could you give me a pen? May I have a pencil, please? May I have a pencil, please? Good evening, teacher. Good evening, teacher. Can I go to the toilet? Can I go to the toilet? Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. Who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? You will not be able to deal with him. You will not be able to deal with him. May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? Did you get my point? Did you get my point? I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. After lunch, we will go to the library. After lunch, we will go to the library. Please clean the board. Please clean the board. Please come as soon as possible. Please come as soon as possible. How are you today? How are you today? Is the lesson in English? Is the lesson in English? I am sorry I didn't hear. I am sorry I didn't hear. Stop making such a noise. Stop making such a noise. Do you have a stapler? Do you have a stapler? I don't understand. I don't understand. Ma'am, I haven't done my work. Ma'am, I haven't done my work. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. Well done, keep it up. Well done, keep it up. Anything else? Anything else? Walk carefully. Walk carefully. Go slow from the crowd. Go slow from the crowd. How do you feel? How do you feel? I am very strict on this matter. I am very strict on this matter. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? God bless you. God bless you. Do not disturb. Do not disturb. Thanks for listening.